The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University presents this video tutorial on using the pencil tool in Oktopus with the Intelligent Touch Board. In this tutorial, we will learn how to annotate over Oktopus objects, backgrounds, and even desktop applications using the pencil tool. To begin, locate the pencil tool in the Oktopus toolbar. The pencil tool allows you to draw annotations on the screen with various customized settings. Before annotating, you can adjust the thickness, opacity, and color of the pen. Simply click on the pencil tool's properties box, which will open a menu of customization options. Now, let's put our pencil tool to use. Use the pencil tool to annotate over Oktopus objects, backgrounds, or even desktop applications. Simply click and drag to draw on the screen. In the Properties box, you can now edit the color, thickness, and opacity of the annotation. You can also utilize additional options like bringing the annotation to the front, sending it to the back, and even mirroring it horizontally or vertically. Thank you for watching, and if you need any further support, contact us through the following mediums.